Welcome back to Knucklehead Garage. Today we're going to get this engine bay spick and span.
Yeah! Woo! Let's go! I did some research and I landed on this Gunk product that I could pick up at my local AutoZone. I got the engine degreaser, which we're gonna try first, and then move on to the engine cleaner. Picked up some brushes there just to help agitate, and we're also gonna use the pressure washer. That's all for the engine. Probably use a little bit of simple green on the engine as well. And then we're gonna turn our attention to the surface rust that's on the firewall and the inner fender. I'm gonna use this Quad Zero steel wool along with some fluid film that should help break down the surface rust that's there and protect it moving forward. So this is the full suite of product that we're gonna use. So let's do it.
All right, the engine's cool. So I'm going to spray this on and we're going to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. And then we'll power wash it after and then see how it goes.
We get the first application down. It did make a difference, but there's still a lot more stuff on there. And I ran out of that engine degrease. We just got one bottle. So we're gonna switch to the engine cleaner, which is a foaming. We're gonna spray it on there. We might agitate it a little bit with some brushes to try to get some of that junk off. So let's do step number 2. Alright, so it's been a couple hours. It looks a lot cleaner, and I will go to some before and after shots in a minute. But it was really cool to find the firing order in the casting, as well as the silver diamond logo there, which is pretty cool. Made a lot of progress. That stuff that we used was pretty caustic. It did actually take off a bunch of the paint, which is probably okay. I'll have to make sure it doesn't rust. But what else?
I wish we could do more.
We wish we could do more, but you could only do so much. So I think we took off probably at least a pound of gunk. So if you enjoy this content, there's plenty more to come. So make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share, all that good stuff, and we will catch you on the next episode. one bonus feature here. I was able to locate one of these hood emblems that Miriam's holding. You want to show the front part, the triple diamonds? Yep. So we're gonna install that on the hood as well. Can you figure out where that goes, Miriam? Yeah. And that is gonna look sweet. What do you think? How does it look?
Good.
Good.